I think this is good. You know, the exhaust system is definitely something that's very vibration-y. And you don't want this to work its way loose. Then what you have is the exhaust system coming off while you're racing. I'm going to use this too. Loctite. How do you know when it's full? It spills out. I was using this little litter box as an oil drain pan for the rear axle, and anyway, Gilly was the cat. She's gone now. She passed away. Gilly was the weirdest little cat. We rescued her, and she was a real sad kitty, but we made her happy. And she would poop right in this box. But I've cleaned it since then with grease from the race car. But Gilly had this weird habit of hiding inside the sock drawer. Let me see if we have hey Nigel, bring up that video of Gilly when she was hiding in the sock drawer.
Aye aye, Captain.
So I went to the hardware store yesterday night and I got these O-rings. This one is rubber, okay? And this one is called Viton or Viton. I don't know how to say it. Anyway, it's more chemical resistant. Basically, you just stretch it over here and it fits in this channel here. This is sticky green gunk. Come on up. Sticky green gunk, not the new rubber O-ring to just not get hung up and just greased up, it'll just go right in there. This is my meditation. Okay, so my new O-ring is not quite as thick as the one that was in there. So what that means is it's not maybe making as tight. It's still pretty good. It's not a perfect seal. So I'm gonna pull this out carefully like this. Okay. This is a Ford 9-inch rear axle. See how strong that is? The standard Triumph axles would break. So I'm going to clean this off, and then I'm going to put a little RTV right in here. Let's clean that out. So I got my black adhesive sealant. The thing is, you don't want to use too much. Just a little bit. Make a bead over where the O-ring seals. Yep. Look at this. My dad wrote this. This is the wiring. He made wiring notes for the overdrive solenoid switches. My dad is gone, but his notes live on here in the Triumph Service Instruction Manual. Okay, so the gearbox is now securely mounted to the frame. We're working our way from the front to the back. Okay, let's find the drive shaft. Propeller shaft, that's what we have. It propels the car. It's the propeller shaft. It's not like a propeller on an airplane, okay? I'm going to read the description. The propeller shaft and universal joints fitted to this model are the Hardy Spicer Series 1300, the tube diameters being 2 inches and the overall length of the assemblies being 2 feet 4 9/16 inches. It stretches, so it moves on this spline shaft here. Okay, let's see. This is 2 feet 4 9/16 inches.